Hi everybody! Replacement animation or sequence animation. If you want to spread the layers over the time, you make what we call a spread sequence animation. What is this? We have here an arm and hand poses, and we want to move from one hand to another, from one pose to another. How can we do this? It's very easy. Let's select all layers and right click, keyframe assistant, sequence layer. If you want, this is very easy. First of all, let's change these layers. It's very easy. Now we want to sequence these layers, spread them over time and change from one to another. How can we do this? Right click, keyframe assistant, sequence layer. If you want to overlap between these layers, you can change the duration of this overlap, but we don't want overlap. Click OK. As you can see, now I can show all layers and go to the arm. As you see, I can move from one hand to another. But how can we fix to make this animation more accurate and precise? Let's go to the right hand poses and click time, enable time remap, and we will delete the final keyframe. Now when you click 10, it's the first key pose, 20 the second keyframe, 30 the fourth keyframe, and as you can see, you can change from one pose to another by clicking the number of its frame. As we have done, we made each pose for 10 frames, so if you write any number from 1 to 10, you will select the first pose. Any number from 11 to 12 will reveal the second pose, and so on. That's it. Thank you and see you.